Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Subscribe our channel for more. 8 divided by 8 divided by 3 divided by 3. Now let's start to solve this expression. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. At the end, 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the math rules, we know that when we have more than one division in one expression, we have to work from left to right. Now, we have to start with this division in left side. 8 divided by 8 gives us 1. 1 divided by 3 equals 1 over 3. At the end, we had divided by 3. Now, according to the KCF rule, that is keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. Now, according to the KCF, keep first fraction, 1 over 3, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction, 3 over 1, 1 over 3. Now, we have one fraction. 1 times 1 gives us 1 and 3 times 3 gives us 9. So our final answer to this expression is 1 over 9. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.